As one of Jamaica's top defender, thank you so much for giving us a moment of your time today. How do you feel about today's game? How do you feel about your performance?
Sometimes, a little bit chippy, but I think we stuck to the game plan and we played well. We're trying to start a new thing with being a footballing team, moving the ball from side to side, getting the wingers into 1v1 situations. I think we did that well today. We just needed to find the back of the net or hitting the target more. But it's work in progress. We're restarting. We're trying to focus on the Nations League coming up in the summer. So we're just fine tuning.
Yeah, for sure. I saw that you were a way bigger part in the attack today, making more passes, short passes and stuff like that. How do you think this new system will translate, like as it relates to getting more results on the board?
To be honest, we just need to be playing more together. That's the key. You look at the teams that are qualifying for the World Cup, they've stuck with their squad for a number of years, 3-4 years. So we just have to start from there, just getting a lot of games in, training session in, and it looks good. To be honest, it looks good. We just have to build on this. Fortunately, we conceded early, but we got the goal back. We should have won the game. I got a sitter. Jay got one, but it's football. We just have to continue to build.
And one last question. I've been talking about this a lot on my channel. Your performance in the MLS. I've been saying something for a long time that had players like you been born with, of another nationality, you'd have easily been playing in the top European leagues. Tell us about how it feels to finally be back in the MLS and to be playing at a really high level. Team of the week in the first week.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm grateful. It's been a long time coming, but to be honest, I don't care. I'm proud to be a Jamaican. I wear the shirt proud. I carry the passport proud. I represent my father, my whole family, my whole community, the whole nation proudly. So it doesn't matter what passport I have. I just have to go out there and show my class. I think I've been doing that for a number of years. But yeah, obviously there are some plus to having another passport. But once you're a quality player, you'll get the opportunity. Now I get a chance to go back in the MLS and to go out there and stake a claim for myself, and I'm proud where I'm at in the season.
All right, keep playing well, Nana, and big game to the ball.
Yeah, man, respect, brother.